the DSMR. This briefing highlights where smart money is flowing as of this video date. We're not financial advisors, and you should seek professional advice before making any investments. As a quick primer, when smart money is distributing, they are exiting positions, and when they're accumulating, they are building positions. All right. In communication services, sector, institutional smart money is currently in a markdown phase within diversified telecommunication services, entertainment, and media, driving prices towards a discount zone to generate supply. Conversely, interactive media and services has entered a markup phase where institutional investors are pushing prices higher to generate retail demand and reach profitable exit zone. In discretionary, sector is seeking heavy institutional activity. Smart money is in accumulation phase for distributors, hotels, restaurants, and leisure, and textile, apparel, and luxury goods, where they are actively buying up supply from exiting retail investors. Meanwhile, automobile components and household durables are in a markdown phase as institutional players lower prices to shake out retail holders and move towards a discount zone. In consumer staples, smart money is in a markup phase for consumer staples distribution and retail, signaling an upward push in price to attract retail interest. However, markdown phase is underway in food products, household products, and personal care products as institutional forces drive prices down to create supply and move away from retail investors. In the energy sector, institutional investors have moved up into a markup phase for energy equipment and services. The focus here is on pushing prices higher into a profitable zone, capitalizing on rising prices action to draw in retail investors. In the financial sector is characterized by broad institutional accumulation. Smart money is in an accumulation phase across banks, consumer finance, and financial services, quietly building large positions in absorbing shares from retail supply pool as investors exit their positions. In healthcare, shows a clear split in institutional strategy. Smart money is in a markdown phase for healthcare equipment and supply, creating downward pressure to generate supply. Meanwhile, healthcare providers and services have entered a markup phase for institutional investors, advancing prices towards a profit zone to attract retail demand. In industrials, sector is experiencing a wide range of market phases. Smart money is in an accumulation phase for passenger airlines, while markdown phase is being observed in ground transportation, industrial conglomerates, and machinery. On the other hand, air freight and logistics, as well as construction and engineering, are in a markup phase with institutions' money driving prices higher to generate retail demand. In information technology sector is currently dominated by a markup activity. Smart money is in a markup phase across communication equipment, electronic equipment, instruments and components, semiconductor equipment, and technology hardware, storage peripherals, as institutional investors push prices upward to attract retail demand and reach profitable zone. In materials, sector, institutional investors are focused on long-term positioning within paper and forest products. Smart money is in accumulation phase here, systematically purchasing shares from supply pool and from retail investors who are exiting their position. In real estate, is seeing a significant institutional movement across multiple phases. Smart money is in an accumulation phase for real estate management and development. Meanwhile, retail specialized REITs are in a markdown phase. A broad markup phase is also evident in diversified REITs, hotel and resort REITs, industrial REITs, and retail REITs, where institutions are pushing prices higher to attract retail interest. And in utilities, sector is currently a primary target for institutional repositioning. Smart money is in an accumulation phase for water utilities, buying from the supply pool concurrently. Electrical utilities, independent power and renewable electricity producers, and multi-utilities are in a markdown phase with price action being pushed lower to a discount zone to chase away retail investors. In closing remarks, the goal in investing should be to move with smart money and not against it. And our goal is to find where the smart money is. An ideal bottom for going long is when the smart money has exhausted accumulation, and that's the dark green lines. Those are the bottoms we look for at Bottom Finders. We will include the text in the video description. If you find this report helpful, show us some love by clicking the like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.